Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders, especially from Australia. We're broadcasting to you live when you see it'll be recorded, but live from Queensland. And we wanted to tell you something exciting that's going on. Right now, we're hosting an OMNICAMP. It's a 4-day event, and day one has passed. And congratulations to you, OMNICAMPers. You did a great job today. 3 more days of camp. But after that, we've decided that we're going to have an OMNIAC meetup. Take a look at this. OMNIAC OMNIACS, if you will, it's a meetup with Oscar Carboni and the Omni team. I'm not here alone. Where's the place? It's called Whiskey 59. Address right before your eyes at Shop 1/59 on Railway Street. And that is in Mudjuraba, or however you would say that, QLD 4213. The date, Wednesday, October 22nd. I'll be there for most of the day. If you're going to show up, if you want more information, if you would like to get in touch with us and hang out with us, if you are from Australia, close by New Zealand, if you can get to Australia to Queensland, make sure you are in Queensland on Wednesday, October 22nd. You can email me at futuresanalyst@gmail.com. Remember, the place is Whiskey 59. Take a look at that info right there. Make sure you write this down. Take a picture of the screen. OMNIACS, make sure you show up. We did this in London and had a fantastic day the day after OmniCamp. Traders came in from all over the place. Some of them flew in, drove in, you name it, and we spent the whole day with them in the restaurant in London. Well, this time it's going to happen right here in Queensland. Make sure you join us. Send us that email. Call me. You can reach me at 001-917-804-0969. Let me know if you're going to meet up with us, and we'll be there to entertain and enjoy some fun with you. So we'll receive everyone that wants to come out. We hope we have a great time together. I know we did at the last event, so I'm sure we'll have a great OMNIAC time at this one as well. Make sure you contact us, traders. Thank you so much for all your support. By the way, the Omni token's doing fantastic. OMNIACs, thank you out there. We will continue to support one another on that. Don't forget that meetup. And traders, remember, stop SAR in. I could hear some of you saying this right now. Emotions are fantastic, OMNIACS, especially from Australia. I will see many of you, I hope, on Wednesday at the restaurant. Make sure you're there, Whiskey 59. Take care, OMNIACS.